Hi, my name's Chef Andy McKenzie. I've put together this butternut squash soup for you guys to try at home. Let's give this a go then, shall we? So, let's take a butternut squash. We put some lovely wedges together with them. We just chop some carrots, chop up a bit of an onion. So we grate the ginger and garlic together. We can add the chili flakes to the oil. And then we get a nice little dressing, really, that we're going to put over all of the bits and pieces we've chopped up, just like this. Scatter it all over, spread it all over, lovely. Okay, and then all we're going to do is put the tin foil over the top of the tray, and we're going to bake it in a moderate oven. I put this in a wood-fired oven just to be different, but you can try this, put this in your oven at home, no problem at all. We're going to give it about 45 minutes. After about 45 minutes, we're going to take the tin foil off, and then we're going to just put it back in again for probably another 15-20 minutes, just to caramelise some of the flavours that are in there. Once we've done that, out she comes. We're then going to just take it back into the kitchen. Pull out the wedges from the tin, put them to one side, and then in the tray we're going to put a little bit of curry powder, and then we're going to put some chicken stock or vegetable stock, whichever you prefer. Give that a little bit of a stir. I'm going to scrape the whole lot into a nice thick bottom pan where we can, and then we're going to scrape out the flesh from the butternut squash, and we can add that to the pan, just like that, making this look really easy. Give that a little stir in, just like that. Add a little bit of the coconut milk, well, in fact, all of the coconut milk. Put a lid on, and we can either put it on the stove or, you know me, back in the oven, just to bring it to a bit of a simmer, and then hopefully all we got to do then is bring it back indoors or back in on the table where we can chop up some coriander, put the stalks into the soup that's simmering off the stove. In they go, and then we're going to get our machine that's going to blitz it all up, so make it nice and smooth, just like that. Just the seasoning, have a little taste, see what you think. Should be amazing by now. Then we're going to put the whole thing through the sieve, just to strain out any lumpy bits that might be there. Nothing too difficult about any of this so far. There we go, speeded that up for you. And then we just bring it back to a simmer, and then we distribute it into a nice bowl. A little bit of cream that we can put on there, or not, whichever you fancy. And then you've got a little bit of coriander, then you're ready to tuck in. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for supporting the Hampshire Farmers Market. You've been very supportive, I know, during this lockdown. Please continue to support the wonderful local producers that are doing such a fantastic job of putting marvellous food on your table. This is Andy McKenzie. Enjoy.